Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandi Rose if you did not know, and today I am doing another hair video. So I haven't posted any updates about my hair lately, but as you can see, it's getting healthier and it's getting longer. Do y'all see the back of my hair? Oh my god. The products that I'm gonna be using today are from Koils by Nature. I have the Refreshing Anti-Dandruff Hair and Scalp Shampoo with the tea tree mint, the Ultra Moisturizing Cocoa Aloe Deep Conditioner, the Detoxifying Mango Mint Conditioner with activated charcoal, Nourishing Hair and Body Marvelous Mango Butter, and the Moisturizing Shea Aloe Leave-In Conditioner. I don't think you have to use all of these products for your hair wash day, but for the sake of this video, I'm definitely gonna be using all of these products. In the order that I'm using mine in, I'm gonna do a co-wash, and then shampoo, condition, and then we're gonna go into the styling. I'm so happy that I received this product. These are all natural products, and I got it from the We Buy Black convention. I have not posted that vlog yet, but I'm hoping to have the We Buy Black convention vlog up by after this video. If you guys want to see how I use the Koils by Nature, then keep watching. So I'm starting off with the Ultra Moisturizing Cocoa Aloe Deep Conditioner. Now, if this was any other day and it was my hair wash day or whatnot, I would let this sit in my hair for maybe 30 minutes to an hour or so, just to get that real deep conditioning benefit. But honestly, I feel like maybe I'm gonna still get it, but not as much as I could have if I did it longer. And my hair isn't as bad as it used to be, so maybe I don't really need all that, you know? So if you're really trying to treat your hair, you're definitely gonna wanna deep condition your hair as much as possible, but I'm just sectioning it off and, you know, putting some in there, rinsing it out. At this point, I'm rinsing it out. Next, I'm using the Anti-Dandruff Hair and Scalp Shampoo with tea tree mint. And oh my gosh, this makes my hair feel so fucking fresh. It's ridiculous. But I'm just gonna massage it into my scalp, rinse it out, and go ahead and with the Detoxifying Mango Mint Conditioner with activated charcoal. I'm just getting my ends really good, and then I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail. Do y'all see my curls already? I'm just gonna do the same routine around my whole head, like so. Now I'm just gonna rinse it all out. You can see my curls. My hair is so much more healthier now than what it was from when I first started doing hair videos. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see my curls? Do y'all see my ends? My ends aren't even split. Like, what split ends? Where? I just washed all the conditioner and stuff out of my hair, and I think today I'm gonna do a braid out. For the products after washing your hair, it is the Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner and the Nourishing Hair and Body Butter. It's the Marvelous Mango. I think you can use either or both, but for the sake of this video and trying out the products and seeing how they work together, I'm gonna use them both together and I'm gonna do a braid out. I'm gonna do a braid out because I want my hair to stretch out. I feel like when I do my twist outs, they don't stretch out my hair as much as I would like to make my hair look big as well as nice and curly and healthy. That's what we're gonna do on the first wash day. Oh my gosh, look at my curls. You see this? Oh, so So we're gonna do this number, get me a part going here, get this extra hair out the way. The leave-in conditioner, and it does say that you can use this leave-in conditioner daily as a moisturizer. And you can see how that coats the hair really nicely. And this, I am so happy that I can use this on my skin like so, and just use it as a moisturizer, like a moisturizer, and I can use it in my hair. I just do twists at the very end so it can still be cute and curly like so. And I'm only using just a little bit. Oh, that's not a little bit. Like, I want to use half of that because it's not a lot of hair that I'm covering each time, and just go in more, build up if you need some more. I'm gonna pretty much do this to the rest of my hair, and I will be right back. Alright, so this is what the finishing look looks like. The full braid out. I did miss the piece back here. That's fine though. Honestly, I can just flat twist that. Twist it so it can at least still be curly in the morning. See you guys in the morning when I take these out and they are dry and ready to be unbraided. So I put some of the moisturizer on my fingertips because you do not want to untwist or unbraid your hair on dry fingers. That causes frizz. We don't want that. I also had to cut it in because it was split. As you can see, this is really gotta get rid of those. Health over length, guys, health over length. So I'm just really just checking all the ends of my braids to see which ends do I need to cut, get rid of all those split ends, you know, and then we're just gonna unbraid it. Like, so good. Alright, you guys, so this is how my hair is looking after using the Koils by Nature. I don't know how maybe I should just leave it in the middle part. Y'all can definitely tell like the front of my hair is shorter than the back of my hair, but it's mainly because the front of my hair had all the bleach and the color in it. That's why the back of my hair is much longer. I can't wait till it catch up though, because it's very annoying. But this is what my hair looks like. Super healthy in the back. I do not want to cut my hair, but I'm in desperate need of a shape. But my hair overall is very soft and moisturized. The hair is really just, oh, orgasmically curly. Like, look at my curls, y'all. Look at them. I think what I'm gonna do is just let it grow out a little bit more, like in the front, and then get a shape, because I really love the length of the hair in the back and I really don't want to cut it. I'm gonna use this to lay my edges, even though we don't have to. Like, I'm just gonna do it just for the fucking fun of it. There we go. All right, now I'm feeling a lot better. So this is my hair. I've actually used this product maybe 2 or 3 weeks now, and in my opinion, this is the only product that has made my hair very moisturized, but light and soft and still curly. So I can still play with my hair and it can still have bounce in my hair, and it's still extra moisturized, and you know, it's still super curly and moisturized and not weighed down. And that was a big thing for me. That has always been a big thing for me. Either it's too moisturized and too like heavy and it gets really crunchy, but with this product, it's perfect. It's not heavy, it doesn't crunch, it doesn't have my hair flaking. It has got all the dandruff out of my scalp with the tea tree shampoo, and I'm loving it. Thank you so much for giving me these products, Koils by Nature, and I hope to speak with you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have you guys tried this product? If so, please look in the description box below. I'm definitely gonna link their products. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about my hair and these hair videos. Is this what you like? And to stay in contact with me, please follow me on Instagram, and I am Brandi Rose, and I will see you in the next video.